Oliver reporting to you live from Carlisle. In our breaking news, a volcano has just erupted in Calbuco, Chile. Now to John for more information.
On Thursday, April 22nd to the 30th, a volcano erupted in Calbuco, Chile for the first time in over 40 years. It erupted at approximately 6 p.m. local time. Because of this volcano being located in the Ring of Fire, it is one of Chile's most active volcanoes, and it is located on the western coast of South America. This volcano is a result from the Nazca Oceanic Plate Boundary being subducted underneath the South American continental plate boundary. During the eruption, a 3.6 magnitude earthquake occurred. As you can see, this was only a minor earthquake with minimal damage. Due to the high viscosity rates, felsic magma, and high silica content, this volcano was explosive. Now to our on-the-scene reporter, Jacob.
At this moment, people of Calbuco, Chile are still trying to evacuate from this devastating incident. This eruption lit up the night sky. According to other reports, there has been no casualties, missing, or injured people caused by this incident. This volcano contaminated rivers, prairies, and large areas of farmland. Due to this contamination, a total of $600 million of damage was done. A lot of work was needed to help repair these damages. Now to Cole back at the studio.
Hi, I'm Cole Oliver from CHS News. May I ask who's calling?
Yes, this is Callie of Warsaw.
Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
No?
What was your experience with the volcano eruption?
Well, I was in my kitchen making dinner around 5:30 when the windows in front of me shattered to pieces. From that moment on, the trembling and shaking only got worse.
What was your initial reaction?
My initial reaction was to grab my kids and escape the house as fast as possible.
Thank you for calling.
Yep, fine.
As you can see, this volcanic eruption not only affected the lives of many people, but the city around them as well. Thank you for joining CHS News.